Are you ready to challenge everything you've ever heard about aging and muscle? Let's flip the script on what it means to be strong after 50. For years, society has told us that getting older means slowing down, losing strength, and accepting a weaker body as an inevitable part of life. But what if I told you that's just not true? What if you could not only maintain your muscle, but actually build new, powerful muscle well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond? Today we're here to prove that age is just a number, and your best, strongest years might be right in front of you. Here's the truth. Your muscles don't care about your birth certificate. They don't know how many candles were on your last birthday cake. What they do know is how you treat them, how you challenge them, and how you fuel them. The real secret? Your body is always ready to adapt, to grow, and to get stronger, no matter what year it says on your driver's license. The only limits are the ones we accept, so let's break through those barriers together. Let's talk science for a moment. Decades of research have shown that people over 50 can absolutely build strong, lean muscle. In fact, studies from leading universities and health organizations have proven that resistance training, lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises can trigger muscle growth at any age. One landmark study found that seniors in their 70s and 80s who started lifting weights saw dramatic improvements in strength, muscle size, and overall health. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling powerful, independent, and full of life. It's not just possible, it's powerful. Imagine walking into a room and feeling confident in your body, knowing you're stronger now than you were a decade ago. Imagine picking up your grandkids, carrying groceries, or hiking up a hill without a second thought. That's the power of muscle. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's about reclaiming your independence, boosting your metabolism, and protecting your body from injury and disease. Every rep, every set, every workout is an investment in your future self. So, how do you get started? The formula is simple, but incredibly effective. Strength training, a little protein, and smart recovery. Let's break it down. First, strength training. This doesn't mean you have to become a bodybuilder or spend hours in the gym. Just 2 to 3 sessions a week, focusing on major muscle groups, can make a world of difference. Use free weights, machines, resistance bands, or even your own body weight. The key is to challenge your muscles. Make them work a little harder than they're used to. That's how growth happens. Next, let's talk about protein. As we age, our bodies become a bit less efficient at using the protein we eat to build muscle. That means it's even more important to get enough high-quality protein in your diet. Aim for a source of protein at every meal. Think eggs, chicken, fish, beans, tofu, or Greek yogurt, and don't forget about recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after a workout. That means getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and taking rest days when you need them. Listen to your body. It's smarter than you think. Worried about injuries? That's a common concern, and it's a smart one. The good news is, you can absolutely train safely at any age. The secret is to start slow and focus on good form. Don't rush through exercises, take your time, learn the proper technique, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Many gyms offer classes or personal trainers who specialize in working with older adults. And remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights in the room, it's about consistency, progress, and enjoying the journey. The benefits? They go way beyond the mirror. You'll gain muscle, burn fat, and boost your energy. You'll notice everyday tasks become easier. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, playing with your grandkids. Your balance and coordination will improve, reducing your risk of falls and injuries. You'll sleep better, feel more alert, and even improve your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that help fight stress and anxiety. And let's not forget, every time you finish a workout, you'll feel like a legend. There's nothing quite like the pride of knowing you're taking charge of your health and defying expectations. And let's talk about those expectations for a moment. How many times have you heard someone say, "You're too old for that," or "It's too late to start now"? Ignore the naysayers. The only person who gets to decide what you're capable of is you. Every time you step into the gym, go for a walk, or pick up a dumbbell, you're breaking stereotypes and showing the world what's possible. You're not just building muscle, you're building confidence, resilience, and a new sense of purpose. Age is not a barrier, it's a badge of honor. The only thing stopping you is you. It's easy to make excuses. Too busy, too tired, too old. But the truth is, you have the power to change your story. Every journey starts with a single step. Maybe that means joining a gym, signing up for a fitness class, or just taking a walk around the block. Maybe it means finding a workout buddy, setting a goal, or tracking your progress in a journal. Whatever it looks like for you, the important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. So what are you waiting for? Grab those weights, get moving, and show the world what 50 plus really looks like. This is your time to shine. Surround yourself with people who support your goals. Join a class, find a community, or connect with others online. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Every workout, every healthy meal, every good night's sleep is a step toward a stronger, healthier you. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how slow. The only workout you'll ever regret is the one you didn't do. And if you're craving more tips, motivation, and support on your journey to strength after 50, you're in the right place. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join our community of unstoppable, inspiring individuals who are rewriting the rules of aging. Together, we'll share workouts, nutrition advice, and real-life stories from people just like you who are proving that it's never too late to get stronger, healthier, and happier. Let's lift each other up, celebrate our progress, and keep pushing forward. One rep, one meal, one day at a time. The best is yet to come. Let's get stronger, together.